Want to brainstorm ideas, explain concepts, or collaborate visually during a Zoom meeting? Zoom Whiteboard gives you a shared digital workspace where everyone can draw, write, and add content together. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zoom Whiteboard in 2026. So let's get started. First, start your own Zoom meeting or join one where the host has enabled Whiteboard. Some organizations may manage who can create or edit whiteboards. If you don't see the whiteboard option, select More option or the host may need to enable it. Next, click the whiteboard button on the meeting toolbar. Depending on your Zoom version, you may be able to create a new whiteboard or open one that already exists. Zoom will guide you through the available options. Once the whiteboard opens, use the toolbar to draw shapes, type text, insert sticky notes, or other supported elements. Everything you add appears on the shared whiteboard in real time. Take a few moments to explore the available tools. If participants have editing permission, they can add their own ideas, draw on the board, or move existing objects. This makes brainstorming and team collaboration much easier. Everyone can contribute at the same time if editing is allowed. When you're finished, save the whiteboard if that option is available. Depending on your account and permissions, you may also be able to access it again after the meeting. Saving your work makes it easier to continue collaborating later. Finally, close or stop sharing the whiteboard when your discussion is complete. Your meeting will continue normally, and participants will return to the standard meeting view. So you've successfully used Zoom Whiteboard to collaborate with your team. And that's how to use Zoom Whiteboard. Whether you're teaching a lesson, planning a project, or brainstorming with your team, it's a simple way to collaborate visually during meetings. Exploring the different whiteboard tools can make your presentations even more engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.